Hey, how are your bananas doing? I know that sounds like an odd question, but here's the reason I ask. Most people store their bananas either in a bowl on the countertop or without the bowl on the countertop. And there's two problems with that. First, it's taking up counter space. We all could use more counter space. But more importantly, bananas just resting on any surface will eventually bruise and overripen much more quickly. So here's a better idea. This is how I store my bananas. I hang them from a hook mounted to the underside of the cabinet. This way, they're not on the counter, so there's plenty of free space, and they're up off the ground in the air so they don't overripen as quickly. Here's how I made that hook. I just took a wire hanger, just a standard clothes hanger, and clipped off maybe like a 6-inch section. Then I bent it to basically like a Z shape, I guess you'd call it. One angle down that way, one this way. Then one leg just bent up at a slight angle. There you go. Doesn't have to be perfect, but something like that. So this straighter leg will go through the hole, and this angles up a little bit just to keep the bunch of bananas from sliding right off. And then I drilled a hole through the cabinet. Most kitchen cabinets have a recessed bottom, right? Which means the sides extend down about 1 inch. So that allows you to drill a hole through there, you slip the wire in, and then the bananas can hang from the wire. Now, if you'd rather not hang the bananas exactly where the cabinets meet, you can hang them anywhere along the underside of any cabinet by simply taking a piece of wire, again 5 or 6 inches long, with a pair of needle nose pliers, bend an eye, like a little round eye in it, that's for the screw. Then bend the other end for the bananas. Something like that. Again, you want it bent up so the bananas don't slide off. Now with a short screw, like a 1/2-inch screw, because you don't want to go through the bottom of the cabinet, you can screw this anywhere you want. Typically back closer to the backsplash wall so they're not in the way. But with this idea, you can hang them anywhere you want in your kitchen.